always be very clear about the broad application of your thesis or the broad question which you're answering. If you're going for research, be sure to connect your research or the thing which you have worked on to a bigger problem, a bigger question. That really helps when you're applying for PhDs. You should always pose the bigger question which you are answering and make a good presentation. Work on the presentation. Like even if you have done less work, you should put more work into making a good presentation and writing a very good thesis report. I mean, science and research is all about how you sell your research. So you should be good in selling your research. That is what matters at the end.
Yeah. For me, I would say that, as Karthik has mentioned some of them, I would say a good communication with your supervisor. I mean, even if you are working under a PhD student, you should communicate with your supervisor, show him the results or show him what you are doing, meet him at least once in a week so that you have a good communication and connection with him so that you can use that for your future PhD applications and all those things. Yeah, that's a tip I can give. What about Alok?
Look,
For me, like, I think you have covered everything, but I will say how to achieve all these things. So basically, whenever you are working on a project, so there are groups, lab meetings, always try to participate in that. Like, try to present your research in front of the group. Maybe like there will be supervisor, other PhD students will be there. When you will be presenting, you will be presenting your work. They will be asking questions. They will be giving suggestions. You can note it down and then you can work on that. So as Karthik mentioned that you have to make good presentation. So the good presentation is not made in a single day. So it is made by several questions, several suggestions. So they already have lots of experiences. So they speak based on those, and then you can learn from them and you can improve your presentations. Also, that will help you to build a good communication with your professor. As Basil mentioned, that you have to maintain a good communication with your professor so that you can use it. So all these things are very important. Always be honest with your research. Whatever you are doing, even if you are getting wrong result, if you are not getting good result, be honest with the result. Don't try to fabricate your data. So these are the things I would say. Because if you make datas, then you won't be that confident with those datas. If there will be questions based on those data that you won't be able to answer. But
Yeah.
if you are getting negative data, you at least will be able to answer that there might be these things might have gone wrong. That's why this kind of data we are getting. So be honest.
This was just a glimpse. Check out the full video on our channel, The Accidental PhDs.